Okay then guys, let's have a go at 18 then. We've got these linear equations then. Let's write them in matrix form. So we've got everything's in the right position. So it's 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, and 2, 5 minus 3. There we go. There's our matrix times the x, y, z, isn't it? Is equal to the 4 minus 14 minus 21. So now we need, let's label that A, that matrix, and we'll get det A first. Let's run along, as is our custom, the top row. We've got equal to plus 4 then. The 2 by 2 is here. Minus 12 minus minus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Minus minus 1 is plus 1. Then we've got these 4 entries here, haven't we? So it's 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Take away minus 2. 9 take away minus 9 take away minus 2 is minus 9 plus 2. So we get minus 7, don't we? The last entry is plus 2. And it's these 4 entries. 15 take 8 is 7. So what have we got? We've got minus 28, 4 7s with a minus. 1 times 7 is minus 7. 2 7s are 14. So what have we got then? So minus 21? We got, oh we haven't. It's minus 28 plus 14 is minus 14. Yeah, minus 7 is minus 21. That's it. Good. So that's the determinant. It's non-zero. So now we can work out the cofactor matrix, yeah? So let's draw a matrix. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and then plus, minus, plus. Here's our template. Now all we need to do is put in the values. So what have we got for the first entry here? That's here. Cross out the row and column. We've got these 4. 4 minus 1, 5 minus 3. Those 4. The next one, cross out the row and column. We're left with 3 minus 1, 2 minus 3. The next one, here, we're left with 3, 4, 2, 5, aren't we? Okay, this one here, row and column, we're left with these 4 entries. Minus 1, 2, 5, minus 3. And then the middle one, we're left with 4, 2, 2, minus 3. And then this one here, we're left with 4 minus 1, 2, 5. And then this one at the bottom here, we're left with these 4. Minus 1, 2, 4, minus 1. So we just put them in, don't we? This one here, row and column, 4, 2, 3, minus 1. And the last one, so it doesn't take too long, we're left with these 4. 4 minus 1, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, good. Now we can work out the entries then. What have we got? The first one, minus 12 minus minus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Plus and a minus is a minus, so it's minus 7. This one, minus 9 minus minus 2 is plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7, with the minus is plus 7. So we can drop the plus. 15 take 8 is 7, plus 7. So next row, 3 take 10. 3 take 10 is minus 7. Put the minus with it, you get 7. Minus 12, yeah? Take away 4 is minus 16. Plus and a minus is a minus. 16. 20 on the next one. Take away minus 2 is 20 plus 2. So it's 22, and then it's minus tagged at the front, so it's minus 22. 1 take 8 is minus 7. Plus and a minus is a minus, so that's minus 7. Minus 4, minus 6 is minus 10. Minus minus 10 is plus 10. 16. Take away minus 3 is plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19 plus 19. Okay, so hopefully we've got that right and haven't made any mistakes. But again, it's all transparent, so if we have, we should be able to retrace our steps and make a correction if needed. So let's now get the adjoint, which is just simply the transpose of the cofactor matrix C. And that's equal to then, put them here. First column becomes the first row, minus 7, 7, minus 7. Second column becomes the second row, there. And the third column becomes the third row. There we go, that's all the entries there. Now we can get the answer then, so let's go down the page. Bear in mind the determinant is minus 21. Okay, so I'll put that in a little circle, I think, here. Minus 21, just as a reminder. And we're going to get x, y, z, aren't we? So let's have a go at that. So what have we got then? X, y, z is equal to 1 over the determinant, which is minus 21. So put the minus at the top. The adjoint here, put that down here. 7 minus 16, 10, and 7 minus 22 and 19. Multiplied by the matrix we had on the right hand side. 4 minus 14 minus 21. I'll put that down for you here. Minus 21. There we go. Let's work out what we get then. Minus 1 over 21. Okay, minus 28. First row, first column is 7 fours is minus 28. And then it's 7 14s. 7 10s is 70. 7 fours are 28. 70 and 28 is 98, so it's minus 98. And then we've got minus 7 times minus 21, so it's going to be a plus. 7 20s are 140. 7 1s are 7, so it's 147. There we go. That looks good. Yeah. Now the second row, first column, so that's that entry done. Second row first, 7 fours, 28. 16 times 14. Not nice, is it? 10 16s are 160. And 4 16s are 64. 160 and 64 is 224. Minus times minus is a plus, so it's 224. Again, tap it out on the calculator if you need to. So that was that one, 16 times 14, and then 10 times 21 is minus 210 is 10, isn't it? So there's the second row, first column. Which looks good. Happy with that. And now the third row first, you got 7 fours. Yeah, third row first, 7 fours is 28. 22 times 14. Well, again, it's not looking good. 20 times 10, 22 times 10 is 220. So you got 220, and then you got 2 times 14 is 28. So it's 220 and 28 is 248. Minus times minus is a plus, 248. And probably best to tap that in a calculator. 19 times 21, well, 20 times 21 is 420. So 21 less than that is 400 and... hang on. I better type that in a calculator just because you can get befuddled, can't you, sometimes? So let's just tap it in. 19 times 21. So you can always just reach for your calculator. Trusty thing. 399. There we go. Good. 399. So it was a minus, wasn't it? Minus 399. Okay, good. So then what have we got then? We got minus 1 over 21. And we've got 147. Minus the 98 will be 49. 49 take 28 is 21. Again, tap it in the calculator if you need to. 224 take 210 is 14. 14 plus 28 is 42. And then the last one, 248 plus 28 is 256. 276. 276 minus 399. I'll tap that in the calculator. 276 minus 399. 123. Don't know about that. Let's just tap that in again. 28 plus 248 minus 399. Minus 123. Not happy about that. Let me just put it down for the moment. 7 fours are 28. Minus 22 times minus 14. Let's just tap that out. 22 times 14. 308. There we go. That's different then. So I better work out this number long-windedly, hadn't I? Because I've made a mistake there. 7 fours are 28. So I can put that in. I'm okay with that. And then we've got minus 22 times minus 14, so that'll be a plus. So just put plus 22 times 14. And then we've got minus 19 times 21 equals minus 63. And that sounds a whole lot better, doesn't it? Minus 63. There we are. So I'm going to just cross that out. I'll get rid of it here because we've tapped it in the calculator now. So I can just get rid of all that and put minus 63, yeah? Minus 63. And then this will be minus 63. So again, I'm just going to remove this and put 63. And that should be the end of the problem now because they all look good. So that's minus is here, so that'll be, they all go into 21. That's 1 with a minus. This one is 2 with a minus, isn't it? And this one will be plus 3. So we can write down the answers then. So x equals minus 1, y equals minus 2, and z equals 3. Okay, good. Now let's just check that out. Final check. Minus 1, minus 2, and 3. So let's go back up and check that. Minus 1, minus 2, and 3. Minus 1, minus 2, and 3. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Plus 6 is 4. Minus 3. Minus 8 is minus 11. Minus 3 is minus 14. And minus 2. Minus 10 is minus 12. Minus 9 is minus 21. Yeah, that looks good. We had to dig our calculator out, and it took a bit longer, but we did get there in the end, and we corrected an error that we'd made. Good, that's 18 done. Great.